Hello children, I hope you are all happy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Here we will sing, dance, listen to stories and have lots of fun together. Are you ready to have fun? Then come, join me in a fun song. बच्चों, टीवी के जरा नजदीक आइए और मेरे साथ एक डांस में जुड़ जाइए.
Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, 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 dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, everybody roll.
Children, now I would like to ask you a few questions. Let us share our thoughts and ideas. बच्चों, अब मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल करूंगी. What is the first thing that you do every morning? सुबह उठकर सबसे पहली चीज आप क्या करते हैं? We all brush our teeth and wash our face nicely with water. Okay, what do we do next? उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं? We take a bath to keep our body neat and clean. What are the other things we do to keep our body clean? हम और क्या-क्या करते हैं अपने शरीर को स्वच्छ रखने के लिए? We oil, wash and comb our hair regularly. We clean our ears using earbud. We clean our nose using handkerchief. We always keep a handkerchief along in case we sneeze or cough. We cut our nails so that dirt does not get collected and we can wear fresh, clean clothes. What will happen if we follow all these practices daily? अगर हम इन बातों का ध्यान रोज रखेंगे तो इसके क्या फायदे हैं? If we keep our bodies clean regularly, we will stay healthy. Diseases will stay away from us and we will grow stronger. Will diseases stay away from us only by keeping our body healthy? केवल अपने शरीर को स्वच्छ रखने से क्या बीमारियां हमसे दूर रहेंगी? Along with our body, we also need to keep our surroundings clean. We must make sure that our room, our house and our neighborhood, everything is kept clean. Like all of us, there is also one small little boy who is learning how to keep his room neat and tidy. Tidy means keeping things in order. Would you like to know about his story? Okay then, come, let's read. Children, Please open page number 19 of your English Bal Bharati textbook. We will be reading the lesson Dress Quickly. Can you see this little boy here? How does he look? He looks confused, doesn't he? When do you feel confused? I feel confused when I can't decide what to do next. Now can you see this little boy over here? How does he look? He looks happy, doesn't he? Yes, this little boy looks happy here. Children, let's read this lesson together. If you have a textbook, point your finger to the words as I read. And if you don't have a textbook, please listen carefully. Dress quickly. All your life, you'll have to dress. Every single day, unless you should happen to be sick. Why not learn to do it quick? Do you get dressed every day? Yes, mostly every day we need to get ready. It may be to go to the market or to go to school, but every day we have to get ready. Do you get dressed for school all by yourself? If yes, that's nice. But what if your room looked like this? What do you see in the picture? Clothes are not clean. They are lying all around. They are not kept properly. They are not even ironed. If you find your clothes like this, would you be able to get ready quickly? Hang your clothes the proper way so you'll find them fresh next day. Treat them with a little care. Fold them neatly on a chair. To get ready quickly, you will need to organize your clothes. Organize means keep them properly. Have a look at this room. All the clothes lying around. The room is in a total mess. Would you be able to get ready quickly here? No, right? Okay, let's have a look at how the clothes are placed here. All the clothes are washed, ironed and folded neatly and kept in the cupboard. That's how this boy looks happy and can quickly pick up his clothes and get dressed. So, without a bit of worry, you can dress in quite a hurry. Think of the slovenly groups before you strew your clothing on the floor. Did you find some new words here? Slovenly. What does slovenly mean? Slovenly means in an untidy fashion. What is the other word you learned? Goop. Goop means an untidy person. Would you like to be an untidy person? No, right? If we keep our things in an organized and a proper way, we won't get late to go anywhere and we can get dressed quickly. Another new word we learned here, strew. Don't strew your clothes all over the room. Children, there are so many things we learned today. Will we try to practice them every day? Okay, then once again, let's quickly look at what did we learn. We learnt to keep our bodies clean. The more we pay attention to keep our bodies clean, we will stay healthy and fit. We learnt to keep our surroundings clean. If we keep our body and our surroundings clean, we can make sure to keep diseases away from us. In order to get dressed in time or to do any other work well in time, we need to organize our things properly. Organizing means to keep our things properly. If we do so, we can make sure to save on time and also do our work properly. Okay children, let's now have a look at the new words we learnt today. Quickly, quickly, quickly. I have to get ready quickly. The teacher asked us to complete our work quickly. Proper, proper, proper. We must try to dress in a proper way for school. My mother asked my little sister to sit in a proper way. Treat, treat, treat. We must treat everyone with a smile. We must treat our elders with respect. Slovenly, slovenly, slovenly. My slovenly brother walked around the house with dirty shoes. My slovenly dog tore apart the sofa. Goop, goop, goop. The man is a goop. He spat on the road. He is a goop. He sneezes without covering his mouth. Children, now it's time to have some fun. Let's do an activity. I will be showing you a few words on your screen. You have to add the letters L, Y and make it into a new word. And with this new word, you can try to frame a sentence. Let me show you one example. Let's take the word slow. When we add ly to it, the word becomes slowly. Let us try to form a sentence with the word slowly. Let me think. Slowly. What sentence can I frame? Yes. Grandma drives the car very slowly. Okay? Like this, you have to make new words by adding ly to the words you see on the screen and then try framing simple sentences. Okay? Let's begin. Okay children, I hope you were able to frame a few sentences. Let's look at some of the sentences I framed. Okay? The word was nice. By adding ly to it, the word is nicely. The sentence is, Mother nicely dressed me up for the party. Proper. properly. Daddy cleaned the car properly. Loud, loudly. Teacher shouted at the students loudly. Soft, softly. Mary speaks very softly. Clear, clearly. Mother told us clearly not to talk too much. Neat, neatly. Mother taught me how to fold clothes neatly. Children, I hope you had fun in today's session. Now it's time to sit back and enjoy while I tell you a wonderful story. Are you ready? Then let's have our story time. Has anyone seen my specs? I can't read properly without my specs. मेरे चश्मे किसी ने देखे हैं? मैं पढ़ नहीं सकती उनके बगैर. कहाँ रख दिए? They are right here. Doesn't this happen a lot? We forget something, we go looking for it, and then we find it with ourselves only. कई बार क्या ये हमारे साथ भी नहीं होता? कोई चीज भूल जाते हैं, उसे ढूंढने लगते हैं और फिर पता चलता है कि वो चीज हमारे पास ही थी. Today I am going to tell you a story about Absent-Minded Ajja by Arundhati Venkatesh. Ajja is an old rabbit. Little Suju lives with Ajja. Little Suju is a small rabbit. He asks Ajja, Ajja, have you taken everything? Your hat, your bag? Ajja is getting ready to go on his evening walk. Ajja एक बुजुर्ग खरगोश है. सुज्जू एक छोटा खरगोश है. सुज्जू अज्जा से पूछता है, अज्जा सारा सामान ले लिया? आपकी टोपी और बैग? अज्जा अपनी शाम की सैर पर निकल रहे हैं. Ajja steps out of the house and has a look at the clouds. After having a look at the clouds, Ajja goes back in. Why does Ajja go back home? Ajja सैर के लिए घर से बाहर निकलते हैं. वो बादलों को देखते हैं और फिर एकदम से वापस घर के अंदर चले जाते हैं. Ajja is looking above the shelf. He checks in the box below. Ajja is looking everywhere for something. No one knows what it is, but no one stops Ajja because Ajja doesn't like being late. Ajja ऊपर ढूंढते हैं, वो नीचे ढूंढते हैं. Ajja क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं किसी को नहीं पता, लेकिन कोई उन्हें रोकता भी नहीं है क्योंकि अज्जा को लेट होना नहीं पसंद. Ajja's bag is more full than usual, but Ajja empties it. But what he is looking for, he could still not find. अज्जा का थैला बहुत भारी है, फिर भी अज्जा उसमें से सारी चीजें निकाल देते हैं, मगर जो वो ढूंढ रहे हैं उन्हें अभी भी नहीं मिलता. Ajja is looking everywhere. He looks above Chikama's bookshelf. He looks under the sofa, but he does not find what he is looking for. Ajja gets uneasy. He starts grinding his teeth and shaking his head. He cannot find what he's looking for. अज्जा हर जगह वही चीज ढूंढ रहे हैं, किताबों के ऊपर, सोफा के नीचे, मगर उन्हें अभी भी उनका सामान नहीं मिल रहा है। अज्जा बहुत गुस्से में आ गए। Suju, Dinku Akka, Chikamma, everyone is looking at what is Ajja doing, and Ajja worries himself, looking between things. सभी अज्जा को देख रहे हैं और अज्जा सामान के बीच में इस तरीके से खोद रहे हैं कि वो खुद ही सामान में दफन हो गए। Ajja looks for this thing on top of the fridge. He looks for it beneath the staircase. What could Ajja be looking for? Ajja फ्रिज के ऊपर देखते हैं, सीढ़ियों के नीचे देखते हैं, मगर अज्जा क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं? Ajja even tries to look around the dustbin. Everyone runs away from Ajja. What could he be looking for? अज्जा कचरे के डिब्बे के आसपास भी ढूंढते हैं, बाकी सब भाग जाते हैं, सोचते हैं अज्जा क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं। Finally, Suju asks Ajja looking for, आखिर में छोटा अज्जा है। Suju gives Ajja his umbrella and Ajja finally goes on his walk. All this time, Ajja was looking for his umbrella which was tucked behind his shirt. Everyone is relieved and happy. Suju Ajja को उनका छाता देते हैं और अज्जा अपनी सैर पर निकल पड़ते हैं। आखिर में जब सबको पता चलता है कि अज्जा अपनी छतरी को ढूंढ रहे थे जो उनकी शर्ट के पीछे टंगी हुई थी, सब लोग हंसते हैं और मुस्कुराते हैं। Did you all enjoy Ajja's story? Don't we have someone like that always at home? Someone loses something and puts the whole house upside down, while the others are wondering what is he or she looking for. Yes, Ajja's story was a lot of fun. Children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Now, I would like you all to once again read the lesson, dress quickly, and write down 5 things in your notebook that you will do every day to make sure that you stay healthy and your surroundings are clean. Children, till we meet next, take care, bye-bye and stay safe.